Hi everybody, this is Tony Brucato.
Hi, this is Daniel Vera.
We're both real estate agents at Keller Williams Realty Services. Today we'd like to talk to you about some steps for investing in real estate for beginners. So we really plan on expanding on this with other segments, so stay tuned for part 2 and 3. We're going to talk about rentals and flips later and really just building your real estate portfolio. First, let's just go ahead and go to part 1, real estate investing. Things for you to do and get prepared for before you invest. Step number 1, building your credit score. You can really learn how to do this on YouTube and other different ways through the internet, but I will honestly say that if your credit is complicated, I recommend a credit specialist. In the past, they have done great things for clients of mine on getting their credit scores up in a surprisingly short amount of time, which is ultimately what you want. So if that's the case, I just would highly recommend you talk to someone that has worked with one and get a referral from them or a real estate agent.
Yes, sir. And 2 would be saving your money or finding ways to finance a property, such as house hacking, BRRR, partners, private money lenders, and flips.
Step number 3, get your tax and bank statements ready.
4 would be getting pre-qualified with a lender. They are typically going to look at your last 2 years and average the income to provide a loan amount that matches that. Be warned that if you are a company that likes to write a lot of things off and it shows that you only made $20,000 and wrote off $80,000, this may have implications on the amount of loan you might receive.
So next step, once you're pre-qualified, this is the fun step. So we get to shop for properties and really look on the internet and see everything that's in your price range and maybe just a touch above that. This research is really going to help you really understand what the market has to offer. And the more you research and the more you understand that, the faster you're going to be able to recognize that perfect property and opportunity that will arise for you to invest in.
And 6, financial budgeting and running your numbers to make sure your margins work for what you want to accomplish. This means that when you are researching a particular property, you're using a mortgage calculator and factoring in closing costs, taxes, upkeep, and possible vacancy to compare with what rental rates are going for in the area for a home that you're looking at.
Great. Flip. Next step, you're going to buy that property and you're going to work through the transaction. In this step, I would just highly recommend that you get a real estate agent to kind of help you. A good real estate agent, quote good, can really make you a lot of money through the proper negotiations, effective communication, and tackling any bumps in the road of the contract. And this could really make or break the deal. Plus, it's just really good to add that most buyers' agents, usually make their money from the seller. So it just kind of makes sense that getting an experienced guy looking out for your best interests during a contract that you really don't have to pay just kind of makes sense. So thanks everybody for joining us today. Please stay tuned for video number 2 and 3. We're going to talk about rentals and flips. We hope this helped. Let us know if it did. Subscribe. We'll see you next time.